What's the meaning of behaviorally? Behaviorally. Behaviorally.
Behaviourally. Behaviourally. The term behaviorally refers to actions or conduct that is observable or measurable. It is an adjective that describes the manner in which an individual or group interacts with their environment, including other people, animals, and objects. Behaviorally can be used to describe various aspects of human behavior, such as social, emotional, cognitive, and physical. This term is commonly used in fields such as psychology, sociology, anthropology, and education. By focusing on observable behaviors, researchers can gather objective data on how individuals respond to different stimuli and situations. This information can help us understand why people behave the way they do and develop interventions or strategies to promote positive behavioral changes.